We begin this evening with news on the impact of the coronavirus on the justice system. Further backlogs are expected as COVID-related deaths among people in the profession are climbing. Attorney at law Peter Champagny revealed that close to 30 legal minds have so far died from the virus to date. More in this report.
COVID-19 has left a trail of death in the country, but the legal profession in particular is taking a battering. Among the latest to pass away is Senior Parish Judge for St. Anne, Stanley Clark. Noted attorney at law Queen's Counsel Peter Champagny was in a reflective mood Tuesday as he indicated that 27 legal minds have been ripped away from their legal peers and families by the deadly virus.
Those persons that have passed within the legal fraternity are in some instances larger than life, and persons who have been able to offer great help as mentors to young counsel. And regrettably, there are many other counsel there that will not benefit, will never be able to benefit from the experience of others. And I think that true recognition in time needs to be given to all that have passed in terms of the profession. And to a large extent, as I said, it's a microcosm of the larger Jamaica. None of us at this point in time can say that we don't know of an individual, friend or family who has been affected by this.
He explained that the nature of the profession means persons will be exposed to the virus at some point.
There is interaction at various levels. It is part of the society that needs to continue. And we interface at so many levels. Certainly at the criminal bar, you have to go to police stations, lockups, you interview clients, you go to various public offices, the courts, tax offices, and so on. So I suspect there is greater exposure. And of course, then there is the issue of age, and there are pre-existing conditions that some of us are, have, and some of us are not aware of.
Mr. Champagny warned that the already troublesome issue of case backlogs could worsen soon due to the deaths of several judges and lawyers who were handling multiple cases prior to their deaths.
I think it's bound to have an effect because none of us would be able to predict. Those that have died would be able to predict that their passing would be so sudden and would not have had the opportunity to make arrangements. So from that perspective, certainly, there's going to be some adverse effect in terms of the backlog, especially some of us who were quite prolific in certain parishes and so on.
The attorney, in the meantime, joined the chorus of persons begging all Jamaicans to get vaccinated.
Be responsible, the church, the entertainers, the business sector, and persons of influence to get on board. It cannot be the business of government alone in the fight against this pandemic.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.